Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Today we got a rather fun one. I received this from Charlie over at Big Time Charlie's Garage. It's an Auto World 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger. Since I had one of these, I decided I'm going to make one up in the original style of mine. Pretty easy separating the flat rivet on these. A lot of detail in these Auto Worlds. Back rivet just didn't want to let go. Finally got it apart. Here's our pieces. The windshields in these Auto Worlds are kind of a pressure fit, plus they got a little rivet that needs to be drilled out. Clean up all the posts for ease of reassembly. A little awl before our tap. Into our favorite stripper, the hood and the body. Shake it, don't break it. Here's out of the stripper and a little wire wheel action. I got two others of these, and I was going to spectre flame the other two for Charlie. But I ran into some supply problems, and with our current emergency situation in the world, wasn't able to get out and get any new supplies. I lost the footage of me painting, but this is the paint job. Here's all the parts ready for reassembly. is what we started with, a 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger by Auto World. Here's what we ended up with. What mine looked like back in the day. I even added the hood scoops that were on it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And for now, this is Opaw saying, stay healthy and goodbye.